Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change region in Honor of Kings. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here's what you want to do. You want to click on the gear icon here in the top right. And once you have accessed the settings, we will just choose Player Support. Now from this list that pops up, or this page, we're just going to click on Changing Region. And it's going to give us this prompt. When changing your region, assets and hero, which are not available, will not be usable in that region. You can read through this, and you can only change your region once every 180 days. Click on Got It, and here you can change your region to whichever one you want. We can do Asia, Europe, North America. You can see all the different continents here, and you can just choose the country which you will be located in. And that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can change region in Honor of Kings. So, that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.